Hey guys, this is Steve Lewis from The Happy Profits. Going to recap two trades, basically a lot of trades on Atnf, which was a big gainer this morning and it was just sloping on the way down, and then also on Bslk because it was the micro float. So those are the two stocks we kept our eyes on. Those are the only two stocks I called out in our chat room before the open, and a good line. So we're going to look at those real quick. So right here, Bslk is going to have to break that 371 line, and Atnf was going to have to break that 1481 line and 1414 if you were not in pre. So you'll see these lines being respected for a bit, and then we're just going to pull up the charts. Here we go. So yeah, people see a lot of lines, but basically eventually you have to see that these stocks are hitting certain areas all the time. And what you're going to see is the stock break it, touch it, pulled back. We called this 1470 dip out on a webinar. Went right back up here, and we stopped trading it because of this orange line. This orange line is just something that we see where the sellers start stepping in a little early. And yes, if it doesn't, at least we're going to stop buying. That's what you would look at. And then the stock re-stabilized right here in the 1590 area and re-broke out, and it did finish up here. I did call out this just a couple minutes ago, this 1526 line in the chat room going to VWAP, because I will pull it up because that's the line it was forming. It's basically a shallow W. You see the big sell-off, and then the less sell-off comes in where you just see it less sell-off, so it was retrending. So sell, bigger sell, less sell. Here's your higher low, here's your break to VWAP. So easy trade right there. And then right here we have Bslk, the micro float of the day. We're going to see how that looks good right here. I just took a trade right here, by the way, 5 to 520. And let's look at the 371 line I called in pre. So right here is this pre line right here. I'm going to highlight it to a different color. Maybe we'll do yellow so we can see it. Right here. I didn't even look at this stock till it broke here. And I missed this move. So I have to wait patiently. And I wait patiently. And if you watch this exact same trade set up, the stock stabilizes and start making higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows. And then when it's up here, it's just a little overextended. I stopped looking at the trade right here because I thought the trade was already done, and then it broke one more, and I just said it's just teasing you in. And we'll see if it teases in. We're going to see if it bounces here, but a good easy trade there for 15 cents, and hopefully it'll bounce on this resistance line. Y'all have a good day. Steve Lewis from The Happy Profits.